Hello, this is Miss King, and this is a recording on how to show your steps when you're simplifying an expression. It's important to know how to do this, not only to explain your work, but also when you get to more complicated problems and when we start to transform equations to solve for a particular variable. So I do expect you to be able to show your steps in this way. If you do it correctly, it should form a nice little triangle going from very complicated to simple. I'll show you what it looks like at the end. All right, so order of operations. The first thing I do is look for parentheses, and I actually see two sets of parentheses here on the inside, and then I see outside brackets. So when that happens, we work from inside out. I am going to simplify the inside parentheses first. And that's only one operation, so I'm just going to do it. 11 minus 7 is 4. Now I have to now copy down exactly everything else exactly the way I see it. Okay, so the lines should look almost identical. The only thing I did was subtract what was in the parentheses. Okay, okay, I still see parentheses, so I'm going to do that next. And, oh, I noticed that there are two operations inside those parentheses. Which one do I do first? That's right, I do division first. Division always comes before addition. So I'm going to go ahead and divide 4 divided by 4. That is the operation I'm doing first. Okay. It is 1. And of course, now I copy out everything else exactly the way I see it. And this step, I divided. That is what I did here. All right, so I still have parentheses here. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify what's in those parentheses. There's only one operation. So 3 plus 1 is 4. I'm going to simplify that. And then, of course, copy out everything else exactly the way I see it. This step right here, addition. Okay, so I still see parentheses in the form of brackets. I see a grouping symbol right there. But you notice it's simple inside. It's only a 4. So what that means is it's no longer a grouping symbol. It becomes a multiplication sign. That 4 is juxtaposed, is put right next to that parentheses without any operation, so we have to assume the operation is multiplication. Okay, so multiplication because it's simple inside. No more parentheses, and there's no exponents or roots. And I'm going to draw that multiplication sign in there to remind me. No division. Addition? Do we have addition? Yes, we do. Okay, I'll go ahead and make sure to circle that on the graphic organizer. And subtraction, do we have, no subtraction. Okay, so out of multiplication and addition, multiplication goes first, left to right. 4 times 4 is my change. That'll be 16. Copy out 5 plus. Almost done. And then the last thing we're doing, our last change, addition. 5 plus 16. That is our last change right there. It'll be 21. Okay. So I went from a very complicated expression to just one constant value, 21. That's it. Simple. Okay. So if you are following this form that you need to learn and practice, okay, it goes from very complicated to very simple. If you draw a picture over it, it's an upside down triangle. Kind of looks like a nacho. Okay, that is the goal of what you want to do when you are simplifying equations, is get that form. If you need help, let me walk you through one. Thank you so much.